Hey guys, and welcome to a new episode of Nomadic Dmitry channel. So in this series we're gonna be examining the software products, evaluating those, and I'm gonna tell you my opinion about those. Now I'm gonna tell my opinion about those products in terms of QA. Since I'm a professional test engineer, I'm gonna tell my opinion how it looks appealing for the user, for the end user, and what things might be improved, what things might be changed. So today's video is about browser called Brave. I think it's quite a recent product. I have not seen it before, and when it comes to browsers, most of the browsers are very similar, right? They all going in almost the same direction. All the browsers now migrating to a WebKit engine, and this one is not exception. Basically it's also based on the WebKit, which is the underlying technology, so they basically add a bunch of stuff on top of that. And let's talk exactly about that bunch of stuff. The installation process is quite simple, at least on Mac. You basically drag and drop the file and you're done. Now on the Windows probably it's gonna be just the installation as usual, and they also have a mobile application for your mobile devices, which is cool when applications like web browsers have an ability to sync between devices, but most of them have, right? So it's not like a surprise there. So once you install it, there's a page like that, which is like onboarding page, the typical onboarding page. You can skip it, but let's not skip it. Let's actually go through those screens. Brave, the new internet. I like the slogan here. New internet is basically like everything else before was all about collecting the data about you, doing some not good things to your information, I would say, collecting the huge amounts of data about you. This one seems to be caring about your privacy. And let's see where else. It allows you to import bookmarks in settings, which is good, but I mean all modern browsers allow you to do that. So it says browse safe and sound. They say they have some technology which is say browser Brave Shield. I think this is this one. No, this is Brave Rewards. This is different. Anyway, we'll take a look at this one. So it blocks all the creepy stuff that tries to track you across the web, including most ads. Set shields to down if a site doesn't seem to be working. This one I'm not sure about. This I need to check it out. Seems like a nice technology. Let's see what's next. Set default search engine. Oh, okay. What search engine that doesn't allow to set? I'll probably go with this one, DuckDuckGo. I've been using DuckDuckGo for the couple of years now, and it seems to be fine. Of course, it lacks in terms of search results to Google, but it has its own charm, I would say. And yeah, it's much less bloated than Google, so I'm probably gonna use this one. DuckDuckGo. Enable Brave Rewards. Basically, it allows creators of content to sign up to be actually providers of the ads, and then as a user you sign up to those rewards, and content creators are getting some form of appreciation, and you also as a user are getting something out of it. So I'm not sure yet how it works, but let's enable. Okay, and when I press enable, it says why Brave Rewards, activate rewards, ads, auto contribute. Okay, yes, I'm in. So it's gonna create some kind of wallet. Is it crypto wallet or something? Nice. Okay. So earn tokens by viewing Brave ads presented based on no interest as your browsing behavior, no personal data collected. This is good. Auto contribute, magnetic support publishers and content creators at a monthly payment. Okay, so you can contribute something. Not sure how it works, guys. Probably it's powerful way, and I like this terminology of a wallet. I basically have a wallet within your app, and it didn't ask me to register here. This is really nice. Your Brave wallet is powered by Uphold. And okay, so I'm probably gonna press verify, and it's gonna confirm my email and stuff like that. So this is cool. I like this. So what's next? So Brave Rewards is nice. Done. Since I was visiting just one website, it just displays it here. It says 14 ads and trackers blocked, which is cool. 1 second estimated time saved, and you probably can get the stats here. I know, just like allows to hide it. And it shows Brave Rewards here. It looks like a typical Chrome, but with just some additional customizations. What can we set here? So if I go to settings, okay, instead of Chrome settings, it goes to Brave settings, and it has this whole top toolbar here. Bookmarks, okay, bookmarks are here. What's there? Get started, appearance shield, social media blocking. And what does it allow? Allow Google logins, allow Facebook logins, allow Twitter embedded tweets, allow LinkedIn embedded tweets, search engine. So yeah, this page seems to be, oh, okay, it allows also the simple view and advanced view, what it says. Yeah, so this social media blocking is really interesting feature. I liked it for sure. It's actually what we need those days. Extensions. Okay, seems like it has some default extensions already installed by default, including the private window with Tor, so it has Tor implemented. And this, guys, is something that I really like. Not much browsers those days implement just like have Tor implementation. It's something interesting. And WebTorrent, I remember Opera was using torrent in the early days. I'm not sure if it still uses this or not, but like ability to have torrent downloads actually implemented inside the browser, which is really cool. Widevine asks when the site wants to install Widevine on your computer. Not sure about this one. It has a lot of built-in stuff here, which is good. It's good most of the time, not all the time, but this seems like all good stuff here. Alright, so let's go back and from the settings, Brave rewards. Okay, it goes to this page as well. So far I just see typical Chrome stuff with just additional extensions, and I like the fact that it has this wallet and you get funds to this wallet. This is a really interesting feature, actually, this wallet built in. And what is this? It takes time to open, or why doesn't it open? Brave Shield. Let's go to apple.com, let's say. Does it have this? Okay, so it shows the shield right here. Once you go to a website, okay, changing shield settings in this view may affect web compatibility on this site. Okay, so it allows you to enable, disable trackers, connection, upgrade HTTPS, good, scripts blocked, and change global shield to defaults. So you can disable cookies right from here, and device recognition, okay, all device recognition attempts allowed. So you can just set what kind of privacy you are up to, and if you disable it, well, it's gonna be without this protection, I guess. This is cool. So shields down for this site, shields out. So each time it reloads, basically. Once you set something with the change, it reloads. And you can probably, oh yeah, you can even see the trackers that it blocked, which is really great. Okay, so let's actually look over the Tor possibility. So what do we have here? We have crypto wallets here, and we have Tor here. So let's go with the Tor first. Again, so search privately with DuckDuckGo. It uses, I guess, in private window, it uses by default the DuckDuckGo. Totally makes sense. And it uses Tor to access the website. So let's go to, again, apple.com. Let's see, does it actually use Tor by default here? Oh yeah, since it shows from France, yeah, this is for sure that it uses Chrome this way. So it totally fakes your location. This is cool. This is nice, I love it. So this is the private browsing with Tor, and you can set new Tor connection for the site. Huh, very nice. Yeah, so this ability to browse privately, I mean, the privacy mode doesn't mean anything, right? The only thing it means in the modern browsers is basically that it doesn't save cookies and all this data history at websites of you visited, but this one actually goes much further and implements the Tor, which is cool, which is great, but probably the performance is going to be affected by this for sure. Let's go ahead and check the crypto wallets here. Welcome to Brave Crypto Wallets. Crypto Wallets lets you work with cryptocurrency related assets in Brave. Crypto Wallets support Ethereum as well as collectibles and lets you work, blah blah blah. Okay, all of this is completely separate from Brave Rewards. Okay, so the wallets that you created in the Brave Rewards is not part of this system. So basically, this is separate, which just totally makes sense. And you can create the crypto wallet right here. What I'm gonna say is that it's really probably useful. It's probably useful, and it's future-proof technologies. So this is great. What I'm gonna say overall about this web browser, I have used it for like only this morning because I just wanted a fresh look of a browser to tell you guys. And my opinion as a software QA is that basically the interface is nice. It's like an enhanced version of Chrome with some extensions added, which is good, with an ability to have the crypto wallets here, which is also good. It has the Tor functionality enabled as well, and the Tor functionality is really, I think, #1 reason why you would probably install it in the first place. So I feel like this is good. It's probably like Chrome, but with unnecessary stuff from Google stripped out in terms of analytics, tracking, and stuff like that. I mean, of course, since it's closed product, we cannot check, but we can at least, from what we see, we can at least think that it's much more privacy attentive, I would say. And so I would use this product for sure. I'm probably gonna actually make a test run, probably import my bookmarks here, and let's see, why not. And it has different colors. It has like a yellow kind of color scheme here, right? So it has some specific theme Chromium installed on top of the Chromium engine. And yeah, guys, this is based on Chromium, and if you don't know, the Chromium is open source, right? So basically it's built on top of the open source version of WebKit based browser instead of the Chrome, which is like totally Google kind of thing, right? Just like lots of Google extensions there. I hope, guys, that this video was useful for you in terms of understanding this browser. I know that there are many browsers available, but let's not forget that we should actually try those browsers, understand what we like about us, what we don't like about those, and then actually decide if we should keep this browser or not. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. There'll be more videos like that, reviews of the software products, and see you later. All right, bye.